Hello guys, a very good morning. I am very thrilled and happy to share this video because which made my dreams really come true. I never believed I would do this, I would crack this because I come from an entirely operations and non-technical background, but I always wanted to shift to IT and the background because of my hectic shifts and night shifts. I was been into like night shifts from almost like 3.5 years, and it took a toss on my health as well. So that's why I really wanted to shift, but I didn't know from where to really start. It's God's grace. All of a sudden, I got a link from LinkedIn. I attended the boot camp, 6-hour boot camp first, the class and the webinar. I like the webinar. I like the trainer. Chetan is an amazing trainer. He literally helped me a lot for this entire journey. I would give the entire credit to him because I was very demotivated at that particular point of time. I thought I couldn't crack it, but I was always in a hustle that I have to, get the job. But he asked me to stabilize myself, understand everything, and then move ahead, and definitely you will reach. I've also attempted the mock interviews. They're very helpful. I understood where am I standing in the first place, and from there I really coped up myself and with the answers that Chetan is providing us. And for the entire boot camp, he was very helpful from like sharing the contact details to the articles, and also the way he make us little uncomfortable in the class, because that will actually boost us more. If once we are uncomfortable in the class, we will be definitely uncomfortable in the interview. So that will definitely be a practice for us. It was a lovely experience. It changed my entire perception of me, that doing all the hard work. Of course, if you have a better trainer, I feel your journey will go even smoother. And also after the entire boot camp, and still I think the boot camp is there for like more 2 weeks, but meanwhile I got my job from a well-known company which is into healthcare, and the pay is almost like 100% hike I have received. And also not only that, I had like 2 to 3 offers in my hand, and then where was I standing is I thought I will never receive a job, and from there I have 2 to 3 offers in hand so that I can choose of where I want. All happened because of the boot camp and Chetan's training and everyone who supported from Skill Up. So I'm really thankful and very blessed to be in this part of the journey. And definitely I know I'll get a more support even now when I'm on the journey of Scrum, and being a Scrum Master is one of my manifesting goals, and I think I have reached that point, and I'm very happy. And I also encourage anybody who is willing to become a Scrum Master. It is very needed if you have like a trainer like Chetan, in the state of having a mentor, having a trainer, and having a platform where your network also really grows, because there are multiple people from different kind of domains. So thank you Chetan and Skill Up for this entire journey. Thank you for making my dream come true.